In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the shell command properly in AutoCAD 3D. Whether you're learning to hollow out 3D objects for the first time, or you simply want to understand how to make realistic 3D models with internal space, this quick and easy guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your AutoCAD and switch to the 3D modeling workspace. Once you're ready, let's start by creating a simple 3D solid. Type cylinder in the command line and press enter. Then, click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the center point of the base. When it asks for the radius, type 5 and press enter. After that, type 15 for the height and press enter again. You should now see a solid cylinder right in front of you. Next, it's time to apply the shell command, which is used to hollow out solid objects while keeping their outer surfaces intact. Type shell and hit enter. Now, select the solid cylinder you just created and press enter. AutoCAD will then ask you to select the faces to remove. This means the part that will be open after hollowing. Click directly on the top circular face of your cylinder, then press enter once more. Now comes the fun part. AutoCAD will ask for the shell offset distance. This value controls how thick or thin the walls of your hollowed model will be. Type 2.5 and press enter. And just like that, your solid cylinder is now hollowed out perfectly. You've created a 3D shell with an open top and consistent wall thickness all around. To make sure your model looks clean and professional, you can change your visual style to shaded with edges from the View tab. This helps you clearly see the hollow inside and ensures everything looks just the way you want it. If you ever feel like your shell is too thin or thick, you can undo the command and try again with a different offset value. Experimenting with these values helps you get a better understanding of how the shell thickness affects your design. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily use the shell command to hollow out any solid 3D object in AutoCAD quickly and efficiently. It's a great tool for creating realistic models, lightweight structures, or even mechanical parts that require inner cavities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use the shell command properly. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be learning AutoCAD too. Why not help someone level up their 3D modeling skills today?